Hello, and welcome to this Edgecam Tech video on advanced turning. My name is Adam Smith, and I'm the Application Engineer for Edgecam Americas. Today I'll be demonstrating knowledge-based machining with Edgecam's easy-to-use Strategy Manager for advanced turning. Strategy Manager is the intelligent, knowledge-based practice of capturing your proven machining methods and then applying that knowledge to new parts. This practice will reduce your programming time, produce consistent results, and allows the programmer to focus on improving efficiencies rather than completing repetitive tasks. No other system on the market today captures your manufacturing processes better, faster, or easier than Edgecam Strategy Manager. So let's start by reviewing a brief example of how Strategy Manager works. As you can see, Edgecam provides both simulation of tool paths and the complete machine kinematics. In this example, the solid model has been loaded in the main spindle of the lathe. The upper and lower turret tools were selected and processed by the strategy using Edgecam's tool store and materials database. The component is faced and roughed based upon the stock model. For the holes, drills, counterbores, taps are all selected based upon the hole's features and diameters. The ability to automatically define detailed strategies like a rough turn or grooving cycle is what distinguishes Edgecam as a superior, advanced CAM solution for your manufacturing facility. So how does it work? Strategy Manager works on the information from the design intent of the 3D solid model. The solid model features have detailed information which will drive tool selection, approach values, cycle types, and the specific cycle parameters. The features are intelligent and pass information to the strategy which creates the machining cycle. For example, when running a face turn strategy, Edgecam references the stock model to determine the Z face stock amount. Then a decision is made whether or not to face the part. Now let's discuss how Strategy Manager is used. To begin, a native solid model is loaded directly. Simply drag and drop the file. There are no translators required for Edgecam. Edgecam reads native files from all major design systems on the market today. Next, we will add the casting that will be defined as our stock using the insert solid command. Then use the stock fixture command and digitize the casting to set up our initial stock. The next step will be to feature find the component. We will digitize the model's faces to create work planes and features referenced from the created work planes. Move to the Turn tab and Mill tab to control which turning and mill features are created and how the model will define the features. Select the model, and then digitize the faces to which the mill features will be created for. Edgecam interrogates the model, and the manufacturing features are found. Now let's move into manufacturing. As you will notice, the component and stock are placed in the main spindle chuck. The chuck jaws are adjusted accordingly, and a duplicate component is placed on the subspindle. Notice how some features have been copied to the subspindle, and some features move to the subspindle. In this example, Edgecam gives you the option to machine the boss of the model on both spindles, and in this case, I want to machine the boss on the subspindle, so I will suppress the features that I will not be using. And now the strategies are applied. The strategy will select the proper tools and cycles, whether it's a rough turn or a rough pocket, and then applies them to the features. Notice how the sequence is being generated automatically. It can be just that quick and easy when using Strategy Manager for your intelligent knowledge-based machining. And the result of your knowledge-based machining is efficient, edit-free G-code straight to the machine. As we watch the simulation of this flange connector, think about how you create the manufacturing processes for your components and what knowledge you put into each cycle. The strategies used to program this component are a package of processing logic that automatically generates instructions for machining a feature. The machining is optimized for specific conditions by intelligence that you code into your strategy. These conditions can include the type of material being machined and the feature attributes. The logic allows the strategy to adapt to different feature geometry and its characteristics. These are the same decisions you would make if programming the job manually. The strategies are based on your manufacturing practices, not ours. Strategies are not part specific, nor are they tool store specific. They can be applied to multiple styles of parts with the same outcome, consistent programs. It can be just that quick and easy when using Strategy Manager for your intelligent, knowledge-based machining. So let's review what you've seen in the past few minutes. The solid model was loaded directly into Edgecam without the need for third-party translators. The strategies use the information from the manufacturing features to select appropriate tools and cycles, including the correct speeds and feeds. The decision of which tools and how they were applied is driven by your company's best practice. Simulation confirms the correct method of machining, reducing the prove-out time. The end result is posting of good, clean, edit-free G-code straight to the machine. And at the end of the day, this is the true product of a CAM system. This is just a small sampling of what Edgecam and Strategy Manager can do. So imagine what could be possible. Now it's up to you. Visit our website at edgecam.com and request a detailed presentation of the Edgecam Strategy Manager. See for yourself how Edgecam Strategy Manager captures your best practice and how it can help your machine shop become more efficient and get your parts to market faster, better, and easier with consistent results.